In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a folder on two different phones. So let's get right into it. Sure, you can create a folder. Just come to Samsung, click on it. Come to My Files. So right now we have three options. Internal storage, that is the phone's memory. Then SD card. Then we have Google Drive. So I'm going to choose SD card. But you can go ahead and choose any option you want depending on your phone make. If it has the Google Drive options, you can go ahead and click that. But most phones will usually have the internal storage and the SD card. So if you want to create the folder in your internal storage, go ahead and click the internal storage. But I'm going to choose the SD card. That's why I want to create the folder. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on the SD card. Come onto the three dots and you can see create folder. Click on it. You can give it a name. Then after typing in the name, go ahead and click on create. And that's it. That's the folder over there. And that's how easy to create a folder on your phone. But let me give you another example on another make of phone. oukitel. Let's try it out. Okay, now this is the second example. Right now I am on Google Play Store where I'm going to download a file manager. So what I need to do is come up to the search search box right there. I'm going to click on it. Now when I click on it, I'm going to look for files. This is it right here, and I'm going to come over to files by Google. That's one I want to use. It's pretty good and pretty great, seriously. So I've already downloaded it, so you can go ahead and download it. Now this is if you don't have a file manager, but if you do, all good. Let's go straight to the phone. So now we're in the phone. This is it. I've downloaded it. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on it, then wait for it to open up. So once it opens up, you're going to see download. After download, you're going to see images. After images, videos, then audio. But we're coming down to internal storage. That is the phone memory. That's where we're coming to. So this is the only storage place that we have. We don't have a SD card. So this is where we're going to create our folder. So I've clicked on it and it's opened and it's displaying all the folders. Yeah, and seriously, there can be a lot of folders in your phone. So come up to the right hand side and click on that three dots right there. Once it opens up, you see add a new folder. You can see it's a bit different from the Samsung Galaxy. So I'm going to come over here and click on it. Once I click on it, it gives me a place to put in the name. So depending on what I want to put in the folder, it could be music, files, documents, pictures, anything basically. So I have to give it a name. The name could be any name basically. It doesn't have to be the same name. So I'm just going to call my new test, then click on create a folder. Do that. So let's go ahead and click on that. So after clicking on it, now in this phone the folders are arranged. So I'm going to have to look for it. Where is it? Okay. Nope. Okay, this is new test right here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can rename the folder by clicking on the three dots beside the new folder we created. Once you click the three dots, we have this option coming out. And you can see the rename. So once you click on it, boom, you can go ahead, erase the old name and type in a new name. I'm going to go with movie. Yep. So that's what I want to name it, and click on OK. Once I click on OK, the name changes. Look at that. So it's now called movies. That's what you can do with the folder. Now let's look at other things we can do on the folder, other options. By clicking on the three dots beside it, you can see we can move the folder into a memory card if you want to. like just move it at all, or we could just move a copy of the folder, including the contents too. Then we can also, you can say rename and delete permanently, and also folder info. So if you click on folder info, you're going to see some just little information about the folder, like where it's located. That's what you're going to see there. Then after that, you're also going to see the date when it was created too. That's another thing you're going to see if you click on folder info. So these are some of the options. I'm still going to show you. So this is it right here, folder info. I can see, just look at, so this is the part where the folder is. So you can see right here, it's inside storage, emulator, then 0, then movies. That's the name of the folder. Then the date it was created, November. Yep, so that's it. So we go back. So that is it, guys. Now let me show you how you can delete the folder. If you change your mind and you want to delete it, you come over here to click on delete permanently. Oops, made a mistake there. Let's try it again. Then come back and click delete permanently. Once you click on that, we're going to come again and click on delete. So you have to be sure it's going to confirm it. So once you click on that, boom, the folder has been deleted. See? So that is how you can create a folder on your phone. Seriously, very easy and simple. And if this video has been useful to you, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Check out this video right here.